gentlemen, intro time.
And our yellow cars had to take a cool down lap.
So yeah, I just wanted to do a little intro. We had Dci Autoglass come up to the shop and do a whole new windshield for the Resto Forester. Still got a full video
and
coming out.
Crimson or black is going to be our last car.
Of course.
So both cars that are out there moving have received check your MSR. Sometimes follow out black.
Alright. Sorry y'all, I'm out here at MSR Crescent. We got NASA races. We got race cars coming by. Sounds good. So yeah, we had DCI.
5 minutes, good. Copy that.
We had DCI Autoglass come by the shop. Got a new windshield on the Resto Forester. Did an amazing job. Got some great footage. We'll have a montage here in this video for you. More race cars. Got the black flag out. We got a runner. Thought he should take an extra cool down lap. So yeah, we put together a little cinematic clip of getting the windshield replaced. Like I said, we'll get a full build breakdown of the Resto Forester and everything that's been done to it now. My gosh, it's a lot. I don't know if y'all can see it. We got a car off track. Spun out pretty hard. Rescues over there towing him out. But yeah, hope y'all enjoy the video. Here we go.
Dead in my eyes, I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. They used to hand out CDs before they would buy it. Well, she love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it that high. Hey. So S13 stepping on shit till it's quiet. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, 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 yeah, let's have sex in that bank. Telling her open the safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace a flame. Burn. Whoa, 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 yeah, let's have sex in the nines, do it. Breaking and bending the spines, do it. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had a hit since his signs, do it. Niggas be full of excuses after they taking their time. Whoa, whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes. You see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks.
drugs if you down, you mad. No way, bleeding out bad. I pull up my foot on the pedal and go to bed. My money too, and I'm trying on you. But don't care how you feel my bad.
Outro. So there you have it, guys. We have a new windshield in the Resto Forester. As you can see, there is no more cracks. Hallelujah. Give y'all one more look at the race cars as I leave. Bunch of Miatas back there. Old ass BMW. Sick 944. That's the first car I've ever owned when I was 15. Another BMW. Sick ass BMW. That thing was fast. GT Cup cars. Those are sick. Peace out, y'all. See you in the next video.